The Kunto Bimo plant, Kigelia africana, is a rare ornamental tree that is characterized by its hanging fruit. This tree is also believed to be a divine and protective tree. The characteristics of the tree are strong and the leaves are dense. The fruit is hanging. The fruit is heavy and can reach 5 to 10 kilograms. Uniqueness: the tree can be used indoors or outdoors. The tree has unique characteristics both in the tree and in the fruit. Benefit: Kunto Bimo fruit contains antibacterial and antioxidants which are good for healthy skin. Attention.